guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So let's get into the unboxing. As you can see inside the box, you can get the Mi Band 5 over here, which is matte finish over you can see here. Other than that, in the box you would also get the charging cable over here, which is a magnetic charging cable, as you can see now. This magnetic charging cable is way more easier than the last generation to charge, where you have to remove the whole thing. So it is quite snappy and the magnets are quite strong, so it is much better. And I like this feature, and I wish that this feature was there for every single watch, because this is such a great feature. And when you get the watch, also charge it for 1.5 hours or 2 hours, since it'll be dead, and then only it will reboot. So I'm gonna keep mine for charging then. Okay, then it's rebooted, and then when it will charge again. After charging, it will show in different languages in which language you want to use. So I'm going to choose English. And by the way, you also need a phone to use most of the features, and you need to pair to us at least one phone. Install the Mi Fit app, and then on your Bluetooth and your location also while using this app, and then put keep in use app in use only. Then press the plus icon, and then you can see the band. Click on band, agree, and keep in use access only. Then it will scan for your band, and a message will pop up soon. As you can see, a message will be pop up showing that pair with the phone. So click that tick button so you can pair with your phone. So paired successfully. After that, if you had an old Mi band or something, it will restore all your data and stuff. And if there's any update, it will do firmware update just before that. And this activate is some feature which does not work properly and is probably bugged. Yes, this takes a lot of time. It took for me half an hour, more than that. Took a lot of time. As you can see, this is more than 3x speed. Then you can design and customize your band displays to be whatever they want, like charge, heart rate, etc. And then you can control your mobile functions like camera and stuff. And there's also stress monitor now built in. Now it's transferring resource files. These are for old users. Mine. This is not my first Xiaomi Mi Band 5. This is my second one, so I have to wait for some time. This will also probably take half an hour to 1 hour at least. As you can see, it is updated successfully and the Mi Band is rebooted. And now there are many features like store, notifications, event reminders, idle start means whenever you sit too much, it will remind you to get up. Then incoming call you can attend from here, notifications, etc. And it shows your charge above on the phone. The store you can customize all your wallpapers, as you can see, which was default given by Mi. And if you go to manager, you can get from third party and get your own custom ones. As you can see, you just press that and you click sync watch face, and it will sync by itself. Please make sure it was connected to your phone. You can install these third party apps from the Play Store, and Mi Band 5 watch faces, and you will get many of them, as you can see over here. And there are many other features like find band. When you press find band, the band vibrates to know where it is. And yep, that's not the vibration. The other one is the vibration. And you can also do the same thing. You can find your phone using your Mi Band. This is an activity heart rate that monitoring thing. It is quite good, but it will drain your battery really bad. When talking about the fit and finish, it is quite good quality having a silicone case and it is quite comfortable and very good quality. I didn't feel any sharp edges and it is pretty good smooth, and after it fell out of my hand also nothing happened. So it is quite good actually and very good quality for the price, which is like very good quality for its price, just 2499. There's workout more features, etc. Status is a mode where you get all your old calories, etc. and other things. PIA is just a mode where it's type of like heart rate monitoring mode, reduce the battery life health. Heart rate, which will measure your heart rate. As you can see, it takes around 2 to 5 minutes to do. Notifications, you need to connect your phones to receive notifications. Then left side also you have notifications, and you can control your music, weather, notifications, and your time. The lift wrist to watch the info is quite active actually. It is quite instantaneous, and there's also sensitive mode to make it much better. As you can see here, I'm measuring the heart rate. It is quite accurate, but not that much compared to an actual. It's just for reference of a regular person. We should not like, don't take it as an actual device and actual medical device and stuff. It can get okay results, not that great. Stress also, it's based on your heartbeat itself, so it's gonna have the same accuracy, and it's just a gimmick. I know what do you feel. So it has a battery life around 1 to 2 weeks or more than 1 to 2 weeks if you don't connect your Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth and stuff. Anyone who's used to buy this is really good. It's 2099 I guess in Amazon, and I've been using this and I'm saying it's really good quality and other stuff. So till then, see you. So please subscribe to Paladin to see more videos. So bye.